So we have two straight lines. I am naming them AB and CD. Okay, they're two line segments. Line segment না straight lines ই বলছি. I'm giving the no problem. হ্যাঁ, আমি বলবো বেশি. Okay. So the first criteria, that is AB is parallel to CD. That means distance between AB and CD, these two straight lines, never decreases or increases. They're equal at all points. Okay. And না ইকুয়াল হলেই তো একমাত্র প্যারালাল হবে। দ্য ডিস্টেন্সেস মানে ধর এই ডিস্টেন্সটা, এইখানে ডিস্টেন্সটা, এখানে, they always have to be equal. If they're not equal, if they are a little bit bent towards each other, then they will meet at some point. Okay, so these distances are always equal. এইটুকুটা, even if I extend the straight lines, এই ডিস্টেন্সগুলো সব equal, they are all equidistant. That is why they are called parallel lines, because they will never meet, like the rail lines, the train lines, they are parallel to each other, they run parallel, they curve. Even if they bend, the distance between them never decreases or increases, right? Because if the distance between them either increases or decreases, the train will fall down, isn't it? হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে। এই দুটো একটা লাইন হলো। আর একটা লাইন আঁকবো। This straight line simply intersects or meets these two parallel lines. Let me name them x, y. Okay. So xy is a straight line which meets or intersects with AB and CD. Xy is known as the transversal. Transversal, correct. এবার এই যে পয়েন্ট দুটো হলো, the intersecting points or the meeting points, এ দুটোকেও নাম দিতে হবে. I have to name them. So let me name them P and Q. P and Q. Okay. কোনটা হলো? এই যে ধর একটা লাইন যাচ্ছে আর এখান দিয়ে একটা লাইন যাচ্ছে. This is an intersecting point, right? So I have named, the point. I have just named the point. Okay. Okay. Excellent. তাহলে এখানে আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি I have many angles over here, right? This is an angle, too many angles. This is an angle, এটা একটা 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 angle, right? আটটা angle তৈরি হয়েছে না? 8 angles have been created at these 2 points. So now AB is a straight line. এটা একটা straight line. এটা আর এই গোটা অ্যাঙ্গেলটা হচ্ছে 180 ডিগ্রি. AB is a straight line, AB, and this angle with P as the vertex, this is 180 degree. At a straight line, an angle 180 degree হয়. We can measure with the protractor also. It will always be 180 degree. Wait, let me show you with the protractor also. Visible? এই আমি একটা straight line আঁকলাম, ঠিক আছে? Now I am taking the protractor and just placing it. So isn't this 180 degree? পুরো protractor half circle টা নিয়ে নিচ্ছে, right? Okay, so this is 180 degree. So the angle made by a straight line is always 180 degree. ঠিক আছে, হলো। এবার এখানে শুধু তো এইটুকু নেই, পি এর এখানে আবার একটা অ্যাঙ্গেল আছে, এরকম একটা লাইন গেছে, তাই না? রাইট? ওকে, তাহলে দুটো অ্যাঙ্গেল হলো। হুম, একদম কারেক্ট। হ্যাঁ, অ্যাঙ্গেল এক্স পি এ, কারেক্ট, ভেরি গুড। অ্যান্ড দিস পেয়ার অফ অ্যাঙ্গেলস ইজ নোন অ্যাজ, কি অ্যাঙ্গেল মনে আছে? সাপ্লিমেন্টারি অ্যাঙ্গেলস। ওকে, Two angles, if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, they are said to be supplementary to each other. Okay. Okay. Now from this figure itself, ঠিক আছে, একটা pair কিন্তু নয়. If you look closely, there isn't one pair. We have many pairs of supplementary. Sure, sure. Let us note down all the possible supplementary angles. ঠিক আছে. একটা পেয়ার হলো A, B, C, D, X, P, Q, right? I'll write down all the possible pairs of supplementary angles. Check if I'm correct. Okay. The angle XPA plus angle XPB equals to 180 degree. Correct? Answer. Angle APQ plus angle, they, because they are also lying on the same straight line. Next, angle PQC plus angle PQD is equals to 180 degree. They also lie on the same straight line on CD. Angle CQY plus angle DQY equals to 180 degree. They are also again on the same straight line, 180 degree. Right? So since XY is a straight line, this angle is also 180 degree. So angle APQ plus angle APX is also equals to 180 degree. Because this is a straight line and the two angles lie on the straight line. But if I look at the opposite side also, this is a straight line and this angle is also 180 degree. So angle XPB plus angle BPQ is also 180 degree. This was at this point. This is a straight line, right? Agree with me? This is a straight line. This is 180 degree, right? So angle XPB, this angle plus this angle will be 180 degree. Straight line. After that, again over here at the point Q, repeating at the point Q. This is again a straight line. This is again 180 degree. So this angle plus this angle will be 180 degree. তাহলে angle PQD plus angle DQY equals to 180 degree, as well as on the other side এটা angle PQC plus angle CQY equals to 180 degree. These are all the possible pairs of supplementary angles. Corresponding angles. Cool. I'll come to that. So let me just name them PQ, B, D, R, X. ঠিক আছে? I've got an F formation, roughly F formation. Y, Y. Right. Thank you. Okay, Y. Okay. Now these two angles formed over here, they are equal. Okay. You can always use a protractor and measure and you will get it. They are always equal. Okay. So over here, corresponding angles. Correct. So from this diagram, I can see that angle BPQ is equals to angle BQY. And in this case, both of them are obtuse angles. তাহলে ও নামটা দিই আমরা, হ্যাঁ, O is the most commonly used vertex name. O. আচ্ছা, I got an F. How about I take the mirror image of this F only? This one, which looks like a 7. A, C, P, Q, and Y. Again, am I getting two angles on the same side of the transversal? Okay, just notice this, that both these angles are on the same side of the transversal. XY is the transversal. So angle APQ equals to angle CQY. These two angles are again equal and they are the second pair of corresponding angles. আমরা এখানে লিখছি। And both the pairs lie only, the angles will lie on the same side of the transversal. Correct. Okay. So as you said, I'll draw the next F. A, C, Q, P, and X. Again, these two angles are corresponding to each other and they are on the same side of the transversal, on the left side of the transversal. The angle XPA is equals to angle XQC. I can name it. I can say PQC also. I can say XQC also. Both are correct. The next one will be angle XPB. If I just extend it to this side, XPB and XQD or PQD. Again, on the same side of the transversal, both the angles are on the right side of the transversal. So angle XPB equals to angle XQD. Now let us write Z এর মতো দেখতে হয়, এই যে Z, A, E, Q, D. I have an angle over here with the vertex P and I have another angle over here with the vertex Q. And these two angles are equal to each other. Angle APQ equals to angle PQD. Acha, I will not write only alternate angles. I will write interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles. Interior means in between the parallel lines, inside the parallel lines. Interior মানে inside, so inside the parallel lines. Outside হয়ে গেলে exterior. Okay, one Z done. আরেকটা Z আঁকি, উল্টো Z. Right. B, P, Q, and C. Again, we are getting two angles. Angle BPQ with P as the vertex and angle PQC with Q as the vertex. They are again equal. angle BPQ equals to angle PQC. Co-interior means, co means together, interior means inside. A দুটো angle on the same side of the transversal, but inside the two parallel lines. These two, they can, I can see they look, say they look like a C এরকম PPQD যদি হয়, these two angles. Okay, and the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. যে অ্যাঙ্গেল দুটো মার্ক করছি, they will always add up to 180 on the same side of the transversal. First we took on the left hand side, now we will take the left hand side.